Hello everyone, I am Mukesh Singh. In this video, we are going to run Docker uh, in Windows machine. In this video, what we are going to do is we are going to install a Docker desktop in a Windows 11 Pro machine, and then we are going to pull an image, a pre-built image, and run that image. So let's get started. Before jumping into demo, let's answer this question. What is Docker? So according to the definition in Docker's official documentation, so Docker is an open platform for developing, shipping, and running application. Dockers enable you to separate your application from your infrastructure so you can deliver software quickly. So before getting into this containers, always it was like this is working in my machine, but when we ship it to some other machine or to staging or production server, most of the time because of the dependencies and everything, it used to break. But uh, with containers, everything, whatever the dependencies we need, all everything is put together in one image, and with that, whatever is working in machine A works in machine B, and so on. So let's jump into the demo. To install Docker Desktop in local machine, we can visit to this site docs.docker.com, and from here we can download Docker Desktop for Windows and install it. But there is another way which I prefer is using Chocolatey Package Manager for Windows. So let's do it in this way. Maybe you also prefer it because it's command line, and with just few commands, it's done. So for that, first we'll install Chocolatey. So I'll open PowerShell. I'll open it in as administrator. So this is here, and so I'll just bring it a little bit down. Okay. So here we have this command to install the PowerShell. So I copy it and I paste it here and press enter. So what it will do is it will give some bunch of permissions, and it will download the Chocolatey. It's very quick. It just take a few seconds. As you can see, it's done. So what we need to do is we need to just close this PowerShell so that all the settings and everything is uh, taken place properly. So I'll just close it, and I'll reopen it. And now what we need to do is we need to install Docker Desktop. So for that purpose, the command is choco install and Docker desktop. And I give this wildcard option Y. So whenever it asks like anything, it will automatically take all the default or ES values. So, and we'll just wait for uh, everything to download and install correctly. And this is it. And we don't need to click multiple times or do anything. It will just install it, our Docker in our local machine uh, perfectly. Yeah, it will take few minutes. For that purpose, I'll just pause the recording, and I'll be back once it's done. So as you can see here, the installation is complete. To make it work correctly, we have to restart our machine. So I'll quickly do that, and I'll be back once the machine is restarted. So as you can see, I had restarted my machine, and now it is asking for this accepting the license service agreement. So, and here as well, it will take a few moment and a few clicks once the Docker desktop is started. It is asking for sign in, so I'm just continue without signing in. It's asking some more things. And now it is starting Docker engine. So this place it will take a few moment. Okay, now as you can see, the Docker desktop is running and Docker engine is also started. You can see here this green bar which is saying engine running. So it means like everything is fine and it is running properly. And even you can see here a small whale icon, so which shows like Docker desktop is running. So these things are done. So now what we'll do is we'll pull an image, a pre-built image, which is already built, and we'll run it in our machine. So to get the pre-built images, the best place is Docker Hub. So here you can find like nearly all the softwares pre-built images like Grafana you can find. Here you have MongoDB, MySQL, everything you can find and their official image. So for this demo purpose, what we are going to do is we are going to use this Nginx. So I'll just search it. So here you can find the official one and even the non-official ones which are created by other developers, other peoples too. So here if we click over it, so it is like reference different version what Nginx is. Like Nginx is an open source proxy server for HTTP, HTTPS, uh, HTTPS, SMTP, POPs and other things. So I'm not interested in that. And we are only interested on this command, docker pull nginx. So this is to pull the image. So we'll open this command prompt and we'll paste this. So docker pull nginx. So what this command is going to do is it will pull this image in our local machine. So what we'll do is we'll pull it from here, and after that we'll see it in our Docker desktop, whether it shows the image or not. So it's done. So let's open Docker desktop, and here images. So yeah, now you can see the image is there, but it is like a status is unused, so it's not running. So when we have to run it as a container. So let's run it. So for that purpose, the command is docker run. So docker run dash dash name will give the name, say web one or just maybe web. And when this docker is running, it will have an internal port which is internal to that docker container. To use it, this application outside, we need an external port. We have to assign the external port which is of the machine in which the docker is running, so that we can use it. So here I'll give port 8080 and the internal port which it was 80, and dash D, it means it will uh, run in detached mode. And the detached mode is like if we don't do that, then all the logs and everything like our terminal will be engaged in that. So in detached mode, and the image which we want to run is Nginx, IGINX. Okay, and hit enter. Uh, okay, here. So now it's running, and we can verify it by Docker PS. So here you can see the container ID and image, and it's running. So now if I go to browser and type a local host port 8080, I can see it. So now this Nginx is running in this. And with that, you can try uh, like different commands, and you can run different images over it. And same thing, you can verify it here in containers. So now it is up and running, and if you will click over it, it will open the same thing, localhost port 8080. So yeah, so that's it for this demo. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and comment what you like, and even if you have anything, any improvements or any topics you want to suggest, please do that. Yeah, thank you.